Good day, children. Sairam. Welcome back. Children, we are going to learn a new poem today. Do you know which poem we are going to learn today? I will not tell you now. First, we are going to drill the new words. Okay? Then we'll start with the poem. So, are you ready? Children, you are going to repeat after me 3 times. Okay? I'll say the words 3 times, spellings I'll say 3 times, and you're going to repeat after teacher. Okay? Let us start. First word is sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. Number 2, table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. Number 3, chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Number 4, piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Number 5, ledge. L-E-D-G-E. Ledge. L-E-D-G-E. Ledge. L-E-D-G-E. Ledge. Number 6, empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. E-M-P-T-Y. Empty. Number 7, lap. L-A-P. Lap. L-A-P. Lap. L-A-P. Lap. Number 8, fitted. F-I-T-T-E-D. Fitted. F-I-T-T-E-D. Fitted. F-I-T-T-E-D. Fitted. Number 9, box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. Number 10, top. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. I'll read the words once. Number 1 is sleep. Number 2, table. Number 3, chair. Number 4, piano. Number 5, ledge. Number 6, empty. Number 7, lap. Number 8, fitted. Number 9, box. Number 10 is top. Next folks. Number 11, edge. E-D-G-E. Edge. E-D-G-E. Edge. E-D-G-E. Edge. Number 12, drawer. D-R-A-W-E-R. Drawer. D-R-A-W-E-R. Drawer. D-R-A-W-E-R. Drawer. Number 13. Frocks. 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 Number 14. Care. C-A-R-E. Care. C-A-R-E. Care. C-A-R-E. Care. C-A-R-E. Care. Number 15. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Number 16. Middle. M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle. M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle. M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle. Number 17. Anywhere. A-N-Y-W-H-E-R-E. Anywhere. A-N-Y-W-H-E-R-E. Anywhere. A-N-Y-W-H-E-R-E. Anywhere. Number 18. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. Number 19. Anybody. A-N-Y-B-O-D-Y. Anybody. A-N-Y-B-O-D-Y. Anybody. A-N-Y-B-O-D-Y. Anybody. Number 20 is cardboard. C-A-R-D-B-O-A-R-D. Cardboard. C-A-R-D-B-O-A-R-D. Cardboard. C-A-R-D-B-O-A-R-D. Cardboard. C-A-R-D-B-O-A-R-D. Cardboard. We'll repeat the words once more. Okay. Number 11 is H. 12. Drawer. 13. Frocks. 14. Care. 15. Window. 16. Middle. 17. Anywhere. 18. Cupboard. 19. Anybody. And 20. Cardboard. So we are done with the new words. Children, you are going to write these new words in your notebook 3 times. Each word 3 times, and you are going to learn the spellings. Okay? Because teacher is going to give dictation. Not today, but teacher inform you when teacher will be giving the dictation. So you should learn all these 20 words. Okay? By heart. So you have to write these words 3 times. Each word you will write 3 times. Spellings you will write 3 times. And when you are writing, you are going to learn these spellings. Okay? Is it clear? Children, you tell me, where do these animals live? Can you tell me, where does this lion live? Home of lion is called as den. Where does a lion live? The lion lives in the den. Okay? So this is the home of the animal. Okay? Next one. Cow. Which animal is this? Cow. Where does the cow live? Do you know where does a cow live? Cow lives in the shed. Where does a cow live? In the shed. It's known as cow shed also. Okay? Lion lives in the den and cow lives in the cow shed. What is this? It is a bird. Where do the bird live? Where do the bird live? Birds live in the nest. Birds live in the nest. They build their nest on the trees. Okay, so birds live in the nest. Which is this animal? It is a hen. Do you know the home of the hen? What is called? What is the home of the hen called? It's called as coop. What it is called? Coop. The home of the home of the hen is called as coop. Okay. So bird's home is called as nest, and the hen's home is called as coop. Okay. Now tell me, where do the cats live? Do you know where do the cats live? Which animal is this? Cat. Do you know where do the cats live? Cats live anywhere. Okay, cats live anywhere. Some people keep the cats as their pet at their home. Okay, but some cats live wherever they get place. Okay, wherever they get place they live. Some people, what do they like? They love cats to keep them as their pet, so they keep them the cats at their home as their pet. But some cats, wherever they get place, there they live. So children, our today's poem number 9 is Cats Sleep Anywhere. So our today's poem number 9, Cats Sleep Anywhere, is about the cats. These cats sleep anywhere. Wherever they get place, they sleep. So we will see where these cats sleep. Okay, in this poem. Okay. Children, now I am going to say this poem once. Okay, so you are going to listen nicely. Okay, shall we start? Poem number 9, Cats Sleep Anywhere. Poem number 9, Cats Sleep Anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair, top of piano, window ledge, in the middle, on the edge, open door, empty shoe, anybody's lap will do, fitted in a cardboard box, in the cupboard, with your frogs. Anywhere they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. Once more we'll repeat. Okay. Poem number 9. Cats sleep anywhere. Cats sleep anywhere. Any table, any chair. Top of piano, window ledge. In the middle, on the edge. Open door, empty shoe. Anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box. In the cupboard with your frogs. Anywhere they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. Children, then the next period I will teach you the poem with action. Okay? Just I told you the tune, how the tune it is. Okay? So next period I'll show the poem with the action. Is it clear? Now we will do activity. Okay? See the head question. Add a letter to any one side of the given words to make a new word. What is the question? Add a letter to any one side of the given words to make a new word. Now here, see the words are given. See the first word. Now what we have to do? Any one side you have to write the, add any one letter, and by adding that letter you should get one new word. Okay, and the word should be meaningful. Okay, now see the first one, eyes. Now before, see the word eyes, I-C-E. Now before I will add one letter. By adding this letter, I will get one new word. Let us see which is that word and what I am going to add. Yes. Now what did I add before I added the word R. Now which word, new word did you get? Rice. I-C-E, eyes. So before eyes, before I added R. Okay. And I got a new word. Which is that new word? Rice. Now can you tell me one more word we can make from this? Can you tell me? Before I we can add M also. M-I-C-E. M. Which word did I add? M. So which new word did we get? Mice. M-I-C-E. Can add L also. L-I-C. Understood? Okay. So like that you have to add any one word before or after the given word. Okay. By adding that word you should get a new word, but the word should be meaningful. Okay. We will see the next one. What is the next word? Second one, old. Now O-L-D. Now which word should I add before O? Yes. Which word did I add? C. Yes. Which word did I add? C. So what is the new word? Cold. C-O-L-D. Okay. Before O I added C. And which new word I got? Cold. One more we can write here. Before O we can add S. S-O-L-D. What is that word? New word we got? Sold. So I added S. Before O I added S. So I got the new word, that is sold. Old, cold, sold. Okay. We can write bold also. B-O-L-D. Which word I did add? B. B-O-L-D. Bold. Okay. So you have to add any one letter before or after the given word, and you should get a new. You will get a new word, and the word should be meaningful. Next, number 3 is read. Now here, now read. Can I add before or any word? No. Now here what will I add? I will add after D. I will not add before R. Okay, I am going to add after D. So which word did I get? I got ready. Which word did I get? Ready. Okay, read, R-E-A-D. Then after D I added Y, and I got a new word, that is ready. Okay, next word is at. The next word is at. So it is very easy. This is very easy. Here you can add before also, you can add and make a new word. Before A also you can add and make a new word, and after T also you can add any word and you can make a new word. So first we will see before. Okay, before word, before A what did we add? C. So what is a new word? Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Before A we have added C, and we have got a new word, that is cat. Now here we have added before A. Now we are going to make one more word which will be after T. Okay, can you tell me which is that word? Yes, A-T. Then I will add E. So what is the new word we have got? 8. So E I have added. So I added after T. Okay, after T I added E, and here I added before A. Which word did I add? C. So we got the word cat. Before A if we add, we got cat, and after T I added E, I got the word 8. Understood? So we can add the word before also, or we can add the word after. But the word should be sensible, meaningful. Okay, you will not write rubbish words. Okay, next one. Next word is was. W-A-S, was. Now here I will add after S. Okay, after S I will add a word. Which word will I add? W-A-S-H. Which word did I add? H. After S I added H. So what is the new word? Wash. What is the new word? Wash. Okay. Next word is number 6 is all. A-L-L, all. Now here I will add. Children, you have to think and write these answers. Okay. I will add before A. So before A I am adding C. So what is the new word I got? I got call. What did I get? Call. C-A-L-L. I added C. Okay. So I got a new word call. Okay. Then we can write M also before A. Which word will get? M-A-L-L. What is the new word we got? Mall. You go to the mall now. So which is the word? Mall. Before A I added M. Okay. So I got a new word, that is mall. Okay. Understood? Like that, children, I am going to give you one homework. You understand how to do this? Okay. Now homework is that here same question, same head question. Add a letter to any one side of the given word to make a new word. Okay. Here you are going to do on your own. The words are Number 1 is mall, M-A-L-L, mall. So you can add any one word, letter before or after, before M or after L. You have to think and do it. Okay? You will not write any rubbish words. Okay? Sensible words it should be. So second one is hair, H-A-I-R. Number 3, thin, T-H-I-N, thin. Number 4, ear, E-A-R, ear. Number 5, us, U-S, us. Number 6, hop, H-O-P, hop. Now you are going to do this as homework. This is your homework. Understood? Okay. Children, today we ended with today's period and we'll meet in the next period with we are going to continue with the poem. Okay? Remaining part of the poem we are going to continue in the next period, part 2. Till then, children, have a nice day. Sai Ram.